crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. It is a Friday video, which means we are doing an unboxing or a new product review or things like that. So today I have for you some new products from Altenew, and this is for the February 2026 release. And I just wanted to show you some of the goodies because they are so beautiful. Just a bit of housekeeping. I will list everything I show today in the description box over on my blog, and if you are watching on a television, I will put a QR code up top, which if you scan with your phone camera, it will take you right over to the supply list. I'm not doing a project today, but be sure to click the notification button so that you will be able to be notified as soon as I do, and that should be shortly. So, alright, let's get started. All the goodies. There's so much in this release. I just focused on a couple of the things, but be sure to go over to Altenew and check that out. My free gift for this purchase was the alcohol markers, the Green Valley set. So these are so pretty. So we have Firefly, Grassfield, Shadow Creek, and Mountain Pine, and these perfectly coordinate with all of the cardstock and inks and all of that. So this is not actually part of the new release. This is an older set, but I had seen it and I really wanted it because I love these ink splotches. These are fabulous. Usually in one set you get like one ink splotch or something like that, but you have a variety of the splotches, and I just love that. And you have a lot of different kind of color related sentiments, like live life in color, life is a box of color, a lot of really good things like that. So, oh, and you can layer them up. So that's fun. All right. So getting into the new stuff. This is a 6x6 embossing folder, and it's called Traces of Yesterday. And look at that. This would be amazing to do so many techniques with. Ugh, you can, you know, brayer ink over the top of the embossed image. If you had foil and then kind of just dress the foil, that would be unbelievable. But look at that. Ugh. I love that. Okay. Then we have a stencil, and this is called Paper Echoes. And this, actually, you can read this. You know, a lot of times when you get it's like a scripty thing, it's just like fake words. There's actually real words in here. There's something truly enchanting about how... I can't read it all right now. I apologize. But anyway, this would make a perfect background. You could do... you know, just regular stenciling. You could use embossing ink and then heat emboss it and get a beautiful embossed script in the background. I think that's one thing I'm thinking about with that one. All right, then I just love this. This is a Creative Labels stamp and die set. I love this font. This is one of my favorite Altenew fonts. And it made me think of, let me just show you. You might have this one hanging around. This is the Butterfly Garden. This is an old set, but look at, so that matches perfectly like with that swirly, and then this one has like a big huge swirly hello, and this one's just got like the little swirls there. I did have a couple of projects on this one. I just want to show you quick so you can see how beautiful those kind of swirly things go. And then this one has the hugs on the inside. So, and I can link over to these projects so if you want to check that out. And this was with the Butterfly Garden, so that's an older one, but it's the same idea with this gorgeous swirl font. And then this one has really cool elements in here. We have a circle stamp, sending love and hugs. We have another circle. We have an inside circle. A couple of like label tag kind of stamps. Some sprays and foliage. I've missed you so much. You mean the world to me. And then this one's curved. We are so very, and then you could do grateful. Lots of other things. And then the die set, I mean, these are just great on their own, these labels, but then you can stamp onto here and it matches perfectly. So, and then you get to cut out the big sentiments. So this is gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we have the Gothic Arches Die Set. And I love the window look, and you can kind of layer these up a bunch of different ways. You can have the frame behind, you can have the frame on the top, and there's like a window one, and then like a bigger window one. You might be able to use it for a door also. So that's really cool. And then, so here is the new kit, and this is called Frozen Moments Craft Your Life Project Kit. And it comes with a giant stamp set. It comes with a layering stencil set. There are six stencils in there. It has a die set. Look at those. And then it has an embossing folder. And the cool thing is that these, once you cut these out, you can put them in the embossing folder and add gorgeous texture to your frame. And it has them for all of the dies in here. And if you want to stick around to the end, once we go through this, I will cut some of these out so you can see exactly what they look like. These would be amazing with foiled paper. Ugh. Awesome, awesome. Alright, so here's the stamp set, the Frozen Moments, and this is so big. These are awesome florals. This is a silhouette stamp set, and I love the different, with the lines and then the kind of blacked out spots. You get a really cool effect if you want to check that out up there. Right, and then we have a lot of really great sentiments in here. In every ending there's a beginning. A quiet mind is a powerful thing. Your story is still being written. There's a lot of different things in here, little ones kind of peeking in here. I love this little hello. That's so cute. Stay curious, write your own story. So that is great. And then we have a layering stencil set. And in true Altenew fashion, they have on the inside, if you check it out, they have these little guides of how to do the layering, and they give you some examples of colors to use, and just so you get all these different kind of floral groupings. Looks like 1, 2, 3. There's like a whole bunch of different ones on here. But they all layer up and they all have different shading on there and everything. And they tell you in the instructions, like, rotate this one a little bit to get that, because some of the stencils are, you do that side and then do the other side. But yeah, so there's 6. These are all labeled too, and I'll shine it right on there. So you can see exactly what needs to happen. 2, 1. Yeah. So anyway, a lot of really great options with that. I'm excited to layer these up and see what these look like. It's so pretty. Like, look at this one. That's gorgeous. Ugh. Anyway. All right. So that is the Craft Your Life project kit, the stencils, stamp set, the frozen moments. So that is in the kit for this month. And then again, the other things, the Gothic Arches, creative labels, paper echoes, stencil, and the Traces of Yesterday embossing folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these out for you so you can check them out, and I will be right back. Okay, so right now I'm showing you a photo of how I taped in all of the cut out pieces into the embossing folder to run that through. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you use something like the Easy C tape or the Simon Says Stamp very low tack tape. So when you're putting the pieces in the embossing folder, like this one for example, so it lines up perfectly, and then just put a little piece of tape. If you use something that's stronger, it will tend to embed itself into the back, and it's kind of hard to get off, get the tape off. So, but anyway, the cool thing with this is that you can actually run these through all at the same time. These are just the die cut pieces. So these are not embossed at all. So this is what these look like. Sorry for the shine, but I used silver and gold mirror cardstock on that. So these look cool even without the embossing. Like, this is a great little frame for a project. And this one you get two different styles. You get kind of like a scallopy around the edge and then just a straight one. But you are not going to believe what these look like after the embossing folder. Are you ready? Prepare yourself. I was blown away. Anyway. Look at these. They're crazy. They are so gorgeous. I could not even believe it. Look at this. It's like a work of art. So it goes from this to this. Like, the detail in this is amazing, right? And they all are like that. This little oval one, now you have that detailed edge. And then look at this one. Look at this frame. It looks like a real, actual, old, ornate frame. It is unbelievable. And here's what this looked like before that. So, and then these two little ones. This one now has details and it looks like a raised picture frame. And then this one has that ornate edging around the outside. So yeah, this is a super awesome, amazing die set and embossing folder combo. So totally amazing. I'm totally blown away by this. And I cannot wait to create. So again, make sure you hit that notification bell so you will know when my next project comes out. I hope that you enjoyed the video today. And if you did, if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel, it really helps me get out my content to other crafters just like you. Again, I'll put everything in the description box and on my blog. And on the end screen, I will put my unboxing videos playlist and also my card making videos playlist. So if you need any inspiration, you can run through that and see if anything strikes your fancy. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.